The wait for next-gen AI video is over. Today, we're looking at Seedance 2.0, arguably the most stable and high-performance video AI model available right now. We're talking about breathtaking motion stability, incredible prompt adherence, and cinematic aesthetics. Best of all, LitMedia has officially partnered with the Seedance 2.0 team. This means you get direct, official access to the engine with the best performance and the latest features, right in your browser. Why Seedance 2.0 is leading the industry. What sets Seedance 2.0 apart is its universal reference mode. It fixes the structural collapses and melting limbs seen in older models. It excels in motion precision, fluid, realistic movements for humans and objects. Instruction following, it understands complex, multi-layered prompts. Official collaboration, thanks to the LitMedia partnership, you're getting the most optimized version of this tech. Let's get into the tutorial. First, click the link in the description to open LitMedia. Step 1, choose your model. In the model drop-down, you'll see two options, Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 VIP. The standard model is great for everyday creations. The VIP model provides faster generation speeds and generally higher output quality. While it costs a bit more in credits, it's the go-to for professional results. Choose the one that fits your current project. Step 2, the 9+1 Universal Reference Mode. This is a massive update. LitMedia now supports the Universal Reference Mode, allowing you to upload up to 9 images and 1 reference video for a single generation. This gives you unparalleled control over character consistency, environment, and motion. Want a specific character in a specific outfit performing a specific dance? This is how you do it. Step 3, generating your video. Input your prompt. For example, a cinematic shot of a dancer in a vibrant festival, 8K resolution. If you've uploaded images, the AI will use them as a visual anchor. Hit create, and watch the magic happen. Here are some exclusive LitMedia Pro tips. Full face support. Unlike many other platforms, Seedance 2.0 on LitMedia supports human faces. This is an exclusive feature that allows for much more expressive and realistic character videos. Prompt optimization. Not sure how to describe your scene? LitMedia provides built-in tools to polish and rewrite your prompts. Use the AI prompt enhancer to turn a simple sentence into a detailed, professional instruction for the best results. Language flex. While it handles English perfectly, if you're stuck, the prompt tool can help you refine the logic to ensure the model captures every detail. LitMedia isn't just about Seedance. It's an integrated AI powerhouse. You have access to top models like Sora, Veo, and Nano Banana Pro, alongside tools for AI music, digital humans, and lip syncing. It truly is the one-stop shop for modern content creators. Seedance 2.0 is a game changer, and through the official partnership on LitMedia, it's never been easier to use. Check out the link below to start your free trial today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what are you planning to create with Seedance 2.0? I'll see you in the next one.